Hi teachers, in this video we're going to look at how to import Google assignment templates into your Schoology course. So the Middle School Social Studies C&I department has created some lessons for your first couple weeks of school. So we want to show you how to access those and then how to pull those into your courses in Schoology. So the first step is to import those resources, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you just one of my courses in Schoology. It's my little sandbox experimental course. You would have all your folders and all of that at this point here. But I want to pull something from Middle School Social Studies resources to use in my course. So I'm going to click on Add Materials, Import from Resources, and then I'm going to go to the group. Okay, now we'll have a group for MSSS teachers. For right now, it just says MSSS coordinators. It'll be the similar structure though. And you'll go to first week activities. You'll notice there's Monday through Friday right here. And for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to Wednesday because there's a specific assignment I want to show you about. Now you could always pull in multiple things. Okay, but like I said, for this particular video, I'm just going to do the About Me Foursquare because that icon shows me it's an assignment. So I want to import that. There's other advanced options. I'm not going to mess with those for right now. I'm going to click Import. So what that's doing is pulling that from Middle School Social Studies and making a copy of it to put into my course. So the next step is for me to edit my copy of the document of that assignment. So I'm going to go back to where we just pulled that into my course. I'm going to click on the About Me Foursquare. This will take me to the directions for the assignment. What you'll notice, there's some teacher directions here, right? And what it tells me is that I can access this link and it'll make a copy of what I want my students to actually do in this assignment. So I clicked on that, I'll make a copy. I'll take a look at it. Let's say there's something I want to change. Maybe I want to change one of these questions. You could definitely do that. And once you're ready and have this the way you want it for your students, you'll go to the next step. The next step is to be able to locate that copy I just made in my Google Drive. So I'm going to have to be really careful about the naming convention. So I'm going to rename this Vasquez just to make it easy for myself. I could also relocate where I want it in my drive. Maybe I have a folder that has all of my stuff for the first week perhaps, and I move it there so it's easy to find once I get back to Schoology. My next step is to edit the assignment in Schoology, okay, to be able to put in my copy. So I have the assignment here. I'm going to click on this edit gear. And what I now want to do is take that Google Slides template, the About Me Foursquare, and add it into this assignment. Okay, so I'm going to click where it says Google Drive Assignments right here. It might ask you to link your Google Drive with your Northside account. You would want to do that. I've already done that, so it skipped it for me. Then I'm going to go to this top search bar and type in as much as I can remember about that title of the Google Slide assignment. I found it here. I'm going to click on it and then click on the bottom Attach. You'll notice it pulls that in and it says this will create a copy of your file for each student. It's kind of similar to what we were used to in Google Classroom, right, where students could edit their own copy. Now, before I assign this, I want to make sure I take out the teacher instructions so that I just have the student instructions. I could go and change the parameters of all these things. I'll leave that up to you guys for right now. I'll save changes. Another thing you'll want to do so that your students aren't seeing everything going on. By the way, this kind of shows you where the students would be at once you've assigned it. Okay, I'm going to go back to my course though, and the reason for that is I want you to see that if you don't want students to see this assignment right away, then I would go to Unpublish. And yes, I want to unpublish it. Then when you're ready to actually have students see it, you can then definitely go and publish. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. We want you to know we're here for you every step of the way, so feel free to reach out.